Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your front brake pads on this 2013 Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First, break loose your lug nuts, jack up your vehicle, and then remove your lug nuts in your wheel. Alright, we're just going to pry this clip here out. Now we're going to remove these plugs on the back side here for the slide pins. There's another one right here. Now we're going to use a T47 Torx bit here on the back side to remove these slide pins. You're going to pull these pins out. You can do it by just kind of like twisting and pulling, and then just pull them right out. Now you can take a flat bladed screwdriver or something to pry with. You just pry and pop it right out here and set it up here on top. Once you've got it free here, you can just take your old brake pad out, and this one just pops out of the back of the caliper here like that. There's a clip on the back. Now I've got this brake caliper piston pressing tool here. I'll have this link down below where you can get this online. But we're going to take this right-handed thread, this piece, and number 3 right here. Set it up like this. Set it up in the caliper like this. So you've got the number 3 in the piston, and then this plate pushing on the back side of the caliper, and then you can just twist here, and that pushes your piston back into the caliper. Be sure not to kink or rip this rubber boot here. Press it in until it bottoms out here. Now get out your new brake pads. I'll have these linked down below where you can get these online. Take your new pad with the clip here and press it into the back of the piston. Take the other pad and slide it right in there. Now take your caliper and slide it back over top like that. Take some brake and caliper grease. I'll have this link down below too. And we're going to coat our slide pins. I like to put a little grease in the threads there also. And once you got it coated, you can stick it back in here, press it in. Then you can start getting the threads lined up and start turning it back in. Same process with the lower pin here. Coat it with the grease, put it back in. Replace the plugs on the back side of the slide pin covers. Then we're going to replace our hardware here. If your brake pads didn't come with new hardware, it's okay to reuse these. So we're just going to put this portion in first, and then hold it with this hand, and then just push it down and around like this. There we go. Now you just repeat the same process on the other side. And very important is that you go and press your brake pedal several times until your brake pedal gets hard. The reason for that is because we pushed the piston all the way in, and so there's some slop here, and you want to push that piston back out to where it's actually pinching the pads on the rotor. That is all there is to changing your front brake pads. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.